Alright, let's take a look at what we got going on today. Figures, when snow comes, my friggin' phone goes off the hook. Actually, it's not really on the hook, it's a cell phone. And it just keeps on ringing and ringing all day, and then I have to shut the phone off. Yep. Working on a snowblower, big surprise there, big storm. Everyone's gonna wait till the last fucking second, to get their shit fixed. But sure enough, I'm that nice little guy. So, I'll get this guy in, one of my dad's friends. It's just a Briggs horse. I think these are 9 foot torque pounds. I think it's like a 6-horse engine, if I do remember how to, calculate everything. But, guy said I wouldn't start for him. I haven't really tried anything yet with it. I'm going to actually just take off this little cover here to get this guy off. And I got to do a couple of other things. Just got the electric starter on it. And we're back. So, I actually stopped that. Phone was ringing, as you can see. I got rid of that stupid ass snowblower, that Crossman. Took $150 for it, whatever. Got my money back and then $50. I didn't do a single thing to it, really. You guys saw it. Sold to an Irishman, I tell you. I got a good joke for you. Irishman walked out of a bar. No, seriously, it can happen. But, yeah. So I told him, it's not the biggest thing in the world. It's probably best for light dustings, and he said, it should be fine, my lad. It's good enough. Just to get me through the one storm. Like, alright, have fun. Come on. Let's see. Wow, they really hide these stupid things, huh? Jeez. This is actually the first, Briggs and Stratton snow engine I've actually done a carburetor job on, believe it or not. I don't think this is the right size. Nope, not even close. I just threw my damn son. There it is. Look at that. So, take this guy apart, figure out what it needs. Just probably simple carb cleaning. Man, these things are stupid ass to get in there. Give it a quick little flushing. That's about it. As for the snowmobile there, I'll work on a little bit of that tonight. I got to get some fuel line down at the Home Depot. I had it running. It just kept on leaking fuel everywhere, so I got to get a new line for it. That's mainly it. And then hopefully we get lots and lots of snow this weekend, which is going to be crazy. I actually ended up canceling one of the houses. Actually, I canceled 2 of the houses, or going to be canceling 2 houses I usually do snow plowing with and stuff like that, because 1, I didn't get paid the last storm, and 2, one's just a really big driveway. I recommended to another person that I know that has plowing, so he might take that job, but I got 2 houses to do. Mine and someone else's. Oh, little baby carburetor. Something they'd see on like a friggin' lawnmower. Jeez. Awesome. Alright, let's go wrench. Take her apart. It's funny, out of all the years I've lived in my town since I was born, for 20 years now, and I've yet to hear someone with that much of an Irish accent. Or at least someone with an Irish accent that actually bought something off me. Because that was something else. Oop, almost just fell. I guess the fumes just got to me a little bit. So we'll take this little guy off. Not a big deal. Jet's probably dirty, that's all. Anyone ever seen that new show on A&E there? Friggin', it's called, what do you want to call it? Southeast from South Boston. That's a pretty funny show, actually. I watch it. I watched the one with the pine salt the other night. Thought the girl was pregnant, and they used pine salt. It's actually a true myth, but obviously it didn't work for them because they didn't mix it right. But anyway, so I'm going to button this guy up, hopefully get it going a little bit here, and we'll take it from there. Oh yeah, we're going to fix a pole rope too, I think. Alright, got the carburetor done, didn't do the recoil yet. I got to find out if he wants it done or not. But I guess we'll try her out. I have not yet started it. Actually, it's quite prime it. hopefully she'll crank up. So I'm hoping. I'm gonna make sure that's in. So let's see. Okay, it runs, but the throttle's stuck wide fucking open. Go figure for leaving it outside. Oh yeah, it's fucking stuck wide open. I think I need a little penetrating fluid. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, there it is. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. Just trying to do another iPhone video to get it up and done. I got to even upload last night's video, so. A little bit there, a little bit there. There we go. Sorry. Alright, try that now. Should run a little better. Not as high friggin' RPM as it just did. That's a Briggs and Stratton for you. Best running engines in the world, in my opinion. Here's this thing. Said you bought less new. I can't freaking see the numbers. They covered them over with all this plastic junk. Son of a bitch. Anyway, got her done. Oh, that's cute. A little air filter there. Gotta get mine in here next. Gotta figure out, make sure everything's good on it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a long day.